Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Jordan 1s, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Expensive Pain by Meek Mill. Brand new album that just came out, pretty decent. Go listen to it. And yeah, let's take a look at these Jordans. Alright, so obviously today we're going to be taking a look at the Jordan 1 Pollens. I was able to get these off of Sneakers. Retail on these was $170 and I got a size 9. These restocked around a week ago and I was finally able to get them. They don't go for much. I believe they only go for like $230, $240, around that price range, which isn't too bad for a Jordan 1. And as you can see, it comes in a unique box. Normally it's black and red, but this time it's black and yellow, and I really like that they did this. And that's pretty much the only difference with the box. And here you got the paper. Something unique about this shoe is that it actually comes with some blood on the paper. Now listen, I don't know how that got there, but I'm just gonna ignore it for right now. By the way, I know it's not blood, it's probably just dye or something, but still, I thought it was blood at first. But yeah, enough about that mysterious stain. Let's actually take out the shoes. First things first, let's talk about sizing. My true to size is size 9, and that's what I got in these. I always go true to size in Jordan 1s. That just fits me perfectly. You should be fine going true to size though. So next, let's talk about the materials. The whole shoe is basically just leather. Now, is it the worst quality Jordan 1 we've gotten this year? No, but it's not the best. I would say it's more in the middle. The leather on the toe box is the best leather that we have on the whole shoe. It's a little bit softer than the rest of the shoe. So yeah, I actually kind of like this colorway. It reminds me a lot of the Wu-Tang Dunks, obviously. It's the same color scheme. But in my opinion, I would rather have the Dunks than have these. And I actually got rid of my Dunks because I don't actually wear them. So I'm probably going to end up getting rid of these as well. But something I actually really like about this shoe are the lacing options it has. The shoe comes with yellow laces already put in, and then it comes with black and white laces. Now with white laces, these look amazing. Every time I see this shoe in white laces, it makes me really consider keeping it. Something I noticed about the laces as well is that this yellow doesn't match with this. It's kind of weird, but it kind of reminds me of the Lightning 4s. It literally looks like the exact same yellow laces that they use on those. And also the bottom yellow isn't the same color as this yellow. As you can see, the bottom is a little bit more brighter. But yeah, they do that on a lot of Jordans and it sucks. The shoe also comes with the yellow Nike Air tag, and then you have a black tongue, and then you have a black insole with, if I move the laces, yellow Nike on the inside. And again, I got a size 9. So yeah, I'm gonna just stop talking and spin the shoe around for you guys. So yeah, overall, this is just a pretty decent Jordan 1. It's not the best, it's not the worst. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway, and make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at this shoe on feed.